Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to follow someone on Xbox. Whether you're looking to follow your favorite gamers, keep track of their activity, or build your gaming network, then this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First of all, open up the Xbox application on your mobile device, or you can also log into Xbox on a web browser. Once you're inside the home page after logging into your account, go ahead and tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. You can then go ahead and search for people, games, or more. In the search bar, type in the name of the person or the game you are looking for to follow, and then from the search result, select one of these options. You can select whether you'd like to follow people or games, and once you tap on one of these options, you will see this info section. From here, you can go ahead and add them as a friend, or if you want to just follow them, tap on the 3 button right next to add friend. Now click on the follow button in the pop-up at the bottom, and right after you do that, you'll be following someone on Xbox. You can repeat this process for every other games or person you want to follow, and that is it. So that's how you can easily connect or follow someone on Xbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.